Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get iOS 26 theme in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to get iOS 26 on your Samsung, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Play Store app and here you go for search, and you just have to search for iOS launcher. Just search for that, and here just install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. Wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you have to make sure that you are disconnected to Wi-Fi, and after disconnecting the Wi-Fi, just reopen the app. It will avoid some ads. So after that, you just have to select your language from here, select continue, and here just select next, and then get started. And here first of all you just have to select the wallpaper. Then I'm going to select this one, select then continue, and here just select continue with free version. And after that you just have to wait for this setup, and then just tap on screen to start. Here just set as default, then select launcher OS from here, and here you can easily get iOS 26 on your Samsung phone. You can easily manage settings. Just open this app, and here just select allow to send notification, then select general settings, and here just select hide navigation and auto arrange home screen. Enable that options, and after that you can easily use iOS 26 theme on your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.